Okay, for lab practical number 1, you do need to know the anatomy of the cell. This outer portion of the cell is called the plasma membrane. Okay, inside the plasma membrane you have the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm consists of both organelles, which we're going to go over in just a few minutes, and also the cytosol. And cytosol, of course, is the liquid portion here. Next we have, of course, the nucleus. The nucleus is considered the control center of the cell. It consists of a double-layered membrane, which is known as your nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane. It does consist of little openings on it. These little openings are called nuclear pores. These nuclear pores, of course, are going to regulate the movement of substances into and out of the nucleus. Within the nucleus, of course, you have your nucleoli. They function, of course, in your ribosome synthesis. And then these red thread-like structures inside the nucleus, these are called your chromatin or chromatin. These, of course, contain DNA, some RNA, and proteins. Okay, next with the organelles of the cell, these right here are the smooth ER. The smooth ER, of course, synthesizes lipids, steroids, and detoxifies drugs. The rough ER, or the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they, of course, have the red dots on those are considered ribosomes. The rough ER, or rough endoplasmic reticulum, they synthesize, of course, and transport proteins. Your mitochondria here are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they generate most of the cell's ATP. Next, you have these little red dots that are just floating free in the cytosol. Those are known as your polysomes, which all that is ribosomes just floating around, of course, in the cytosol freely. Next, of course, you have your centrioles, which is a pair here. They organize, of course, the mitotic spindle, of course, during your cell division. And then, of course, your Golgi apparatus. You could also call it your Golgi complex or Golgi body. They package, of course, and modify proteins.